Your mind is a garden and your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. I repeat my thought. Your mind is a garden and your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. It means your mind is like a garden and your thoughts are like the seeds. So if you put positive thoughts into your mind, we can grow with positive attitude. This is today's thought. If you like this thought, please give it a like. And for more educational videos and fun, please subscribe to my channel.